This is a survival cooking outdoors on open fire. Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to my Filipino cooking channel. Today I'm starting a new series of survival cooking videos. Today I'm going to show you how to cook rice on an open fire using finger knuckle. Guys, all you need is 3 rocks to make a fireplace, okay? I just done that and make sure they sit properly, the Dutch oven. Okay, that's perfect. So, and then we can start the fire. Okay guys? So, guys, first we start a fire with the vaseline cotton wool. And place on top of the wood. Now the fire is nice and on high flame. We can start preparing the rice. Place the rice in Dutch oven or Caldero. Wash the rice 3 times to wash off the starch and drain. Measure rice to water ratio using your finger. Then finger on top of rice. I use my middle finger. Water between top of fingernail and first knuckle. Now cover your Dutch oven with a lid. Place your Dutch oven on the fire with high flame and we can bring the water to the boil. Guys, I grew up in the Philippines using first finger knuckle and the rice always cooked perfectly. I learned this method from my mother. Quick tip guys, never leave your pot or pan unattended. This is the leading cause of fires. Once the rice is boiling, you can give it a stir for even cooking. Cover back with a lid. Reduce the flame to medium. Simmer until water has been absorbed. Oh, the water is now absorbed guys. Give it a stir. Cover and simmer. Punaluhit na. Guys, do you cook rice on an open fire with a different method? If you do, leave me a comment below. Look guys, the water has been absorbed with the rice. Cover with the lid back and then just cook it with a coal on a low heat. And simmer it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's check the rice. Oh, wow! Oh! Now the rice is ready. Now let's taste it. Fluffy and delicious. love rice.
And me.
Don't
I
need
love
much.
eat rice. I can eat that now.
Here we go, guys. My rice is ready to serve and enjoy. Guys, when in survival mode, never waste any resource. So we are cooking our turkey steaks on the coals. Quick tip, guys, better safe than sorry. Make sure you kill your fire with water. Done. I hope you enjoyed this survival cooking video. And if you like it, then like it. And if you love it, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon. God bless. Paalam!